it through a nice loop. We're to a hammerhead down with a quarter roll on the up and quarter roll on the down. Let's watch him. He'll do the quarter roll just about right now, finds himself right back down on show center line. Now he'll do a super slow roll. Let's watch him as he turns that clip-wing trailer craft. Oh, look at that. Built in 1946, and the wings clipped in August 13th of 1983. A super slow roll. Randy Henderson from Frisco, Texas, and the clip-wing trailer craft. He'll pull back on the stick, climb it right straight up, right about now, and do another hammerhead. Just reach up and gently touch that left rudder. Oh, he says up to be a knife edge on the down line there. Now he'll dive it right back down on the field. And he'll do a 4-point roll, hesitating the aircraft at every 90 degrees of roll position. Fix the nose up, just about right now, and executes a 4-point hesitation roll. At the end, he leaves the smoke on, he'll do a 1/2 Cuban 8 turnaround. And on the down line, he'll do, I'm not sure exactly, I can't read his writing here. And do a 2-point roll to the upright. Once he gets down, he'll pull it right straight back up, climb it up into another hammerhead turnaround. Do a 3-quarter roll on the upline. Once again, when it won't go any further, just reach up and gently touch the rudder and hammerhead it back down. Now he's getting set up to do what is known to the business as the square loop. Take a look at around here. Try to follow these steps level up from Jerry and our coordinator will lead through. Right straight up. Focus still on. Across the top of the inverted position. I'll just hold it inverted. Well, I guess he's going to do the full square loop this time. Climbs it right straight back up, across the top of the inverted position, hanging to me. Oh, he did another 1/2 Cuban 8 more there on the video. Well, let me tell you, Randy does what he wants to do. He's going to fly the quick-wing aircraft out there. Exceptional, provided by Southwest, American, and Continental. You'll want to get a copy, ladies and gentlemen, of the Wings of Freedom, the Wings of Freedom book. They're going to be being sold through the area. You can get them at the orange and blue top stands, along with the calendar, the 1988 calendar. Your donation of $10 Wings of Freedom book, which is tax deductible, will give you an opportunity. There's ladies selling them right there. The Wings of Freedom book, $10 donation to the Confederate Air Force will help these aircraft. Henderson back with his D-grab again. Right over. Let's watch Randy as he brings that D-grab in. Oh, and look, here's Jay Combs, ladies and gentlemen, in the 84th Skyraider. Right down on the neck. Take a look at that one wheel. I mean, one wheel landing in the D-grab, and that is tire and gear conservation if I've ever seen it. Watch him as he brings it right down element to control, bringing her down right on the deck, just like a strafing run. And he pulls back on the stick. Oiling down now, exchanging that altitude for airspeed as he comes in over the threshold at the far left-hand side. Level it out. Just on a straight run, ladies and gentlemen. It's the way of the country. Of course, he's got a very stable runway here, but the deck officer is constantly correcting for your left wing low, your right wing low, you're too fast, you're too slow, you're too high, the carrier. And now bringing this beautiful, beautiful bird. Look at that. Talk about slow flight, but at any time, he could shove the cone to it and again get that aircraft airborne at 3 points. Once again, you'll not have great legs to get a little airspeed. And off the 45-degree down line, 8-point roll. Now 20 feet now 15, now 10, now 5, now 4. Oh yeah, that's it. At the far, the left-hand side. Big back to the south. Ever closer, keeping that sail in the air. He has yet to let that sail come down. Now he lets the sail because I did it on the way up. I'm not going to do it again on the way down. You'll line it right down and do an 8-point roll. Hesitating to spin back to the every point of the plane. When we say this is very highly modified, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 1 Well, 15.5. Craig Hosking from Los Angeles, California, a movie stunt pilot when he's not flying air shows, which he's doing for us right now. He's going to do a 1/2 Cuban 8 turnaround across the top in the inverted position. Once he finds the 45-degree down line, he'll hold it and very gently roll it to the upright. The airplane is a little difficult to tell when you're looking at it straight on. One's up right, one's up right. Enjoying the maneuverability of this highly modified pit special. You know he's doing just fine. Now he's going to the outside. Now remember when he's flying upside down, ladies and gentlemen, this every man on the road position difference is back to the top. The top is always once again he's flying upright. Now get ready for a 90-degree outside knife edge turn. Let's watch Craig Hosking from Los Angeles, California. When we first did our air show with Craig in March of this year, he was still living in Bountiful, Utah. Since that time, he's moved out to the film capital of this country, Los Angeles, California, Hollywood, where he does a lot of movie stunt work. Let's watch him as he brings it right down to the neck and does a knife edge pass. Beautiful knife edge pass in his red white pin position. He's got it upside down. He's bringing it in very carefully. Very gently sets it down on a nice three-point landing. Craig Hosking in double take. He'll slow it down and taxi in, and then Eddie's out there ready to interview Craig Hosking in a very uncomfortable position right now. One of the most difficult things for airmen is extended inverted flight. Craig not only flies it upside down, he lands it upside down, taxis it upside down, and then in a few minutes he'll take it off upside down. Here he comes taxiing in, ladies and gentlemen. Look at him. The only act of its kind in the world today. Craig Hosking's in double take from Los Angeles, California. A very highly modified pit special aircraft.
Okay, Jim. Just a mic test out here. Yes, Ray, there he comes. I wanted to tell you that some of my landings have been like that in my airplane. That's what I've heard, Eddie. But those are not the ones that I walked away from. I didn't throw out of those. Fantastic. Golly. I can't tell whether this is an accident or whether powered by a 1,490 horsepower Packard engine. It had a performance speed of 487 miles an hour, a ceiling of 41,900 feet, a range of 950 miles. It was a single-seat pursuit escort and ground attack aircraft. As you watch this aircraft perform, ladies and gentlemen, it's difficult to believe that barely a little more than 3 months to meet British requirements. This one Mustang, one of several that you'll see flying a little bit later on today during the air power demonstration. Right back down on the deck on the show center line. Pitch those up just about right now. Let's see what happens. The aircraft. We'd be happy to have you as a member. You don't have to have any special skills. He's all kinds. Oh, look at that nice wing right for landing. And with the gear down now on the North American P-51 Mustang set up for the Recovery here at the third day of Air Show 87. To the Vietnam veterans, the sound and sight